Hello everyone. Question is, what is an advantage of deploying an application across multiple availability zones? Option A, there is a lower risk of service failure if a natural disaster causes a service disruption in a given AWS region. Option B, the application will have higher availability because it can withstand a service disruption in one availability zone. Option C, there will be a better coverage as availability zones are geographically distant and can serve a wider area. Option D, there will be decreased application latency that will improve the user experience. Correct answer is option B. Question is, AWS CloudFormation is designed to help the user. Option A, model and provision resources. Option B, update application code. Option C, set up data lakes. Option D, create reports for billing. Correct answer is option A. Question is, when comparing the total cost of ownership TCO of an on-premises infrastructure to a cloud architecture, what cost should be considered? Choose two options. Option A, the credit card processing fees for application transactions in the cloud. Option B, the cost of purchasing and installing server hardware in the on-premises data. Option C, the cost of administering the infrastructure including operating system and software installations, patches, backups, and recovering from failures. Option D, cost of third-party penetration testing. Option E, the advertising cost associated with an ongoing enterprise-wide campaign. Correct answer is option B and option C. Question is, what helps a company provide a lower latency experience to its user globally? Option A, using an AWS region that is central to all users. Option B, using a second availability zone in the AWS region that is used. Option C, enabling caching in the AWS region that is being used. Option D, using edge locations to put content closer to all users. Correct answer is option A. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, when designing a typical three-tier web application, which AWS services or features improve availability and reduce the impact failures? Choose two options. Option A, AWS autoscaling for Amazon EC2 instances. Option B, Amazon VPC subnet ACLs to check the health of a service. Option C, distributed resources across multiple availability zones. Option D, AWS Server Migration Service AWS SMS to move Amazon EC2 instances into a different region. Option E, distributed resources across multiple AWS points of presence. Correct answer is option A and option C. Question is, which functions can users perform using AWS KMS? Option A, create and manage AWS access keys for the AWS account root user. Option B, create and manage AWS access keys for an AWS account IAM user. Option C, create and manage keys for encryption and decryption of data. Option D, create and manage keys for multiple factor authentication. Correct answer is option C. Question is, under the AWS shared responsibility model, the customer manages which of the following? Choose two options. Option A, decommissioning of physical storage devices. Option B, security group and ACL configuration. Option C. Patch management of an Amazon RDS instance operating system. Option D. Controlling physical access to data centers. Option E. Patch management of an Amazon EC2 instance operating system. Correct answer is option B and option E. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.